Welcome to Geometry, Topic 6. We're going to talk about quadrilaterals and other polygons. A polygon is a closed plane figure formed by 3 or more segments. No curved lines, no curved sides. So for instance, this is a polygon. It's got, if we imagine that those are perfectly straight sides that I drew, it's closed, the sides are straight. This is also a polygon. All of them straight sides. This would not be a polygon. Also, this would not be a polygon because it's not closed, it's open. So those would not be. A quadrilateral is a polygon with 4 sides. We think of these as squares and rectangles and any other 4-sided shapes. A kite is a quadrilateral with 2 pairs of consecutive sides that are congruent and no opposite sides congruent. So in a kite, this would be congruent to that, and this would be congruent to that. A trapezoid is a quadrilateral with exactly one pair of parallel sides. A quadrilateral with exactly one pair of parallel sides. So this side would be parallel. Like this. And parallel markings are like this. And the other sides are not parallel. On a trapezoid, we call this a base, and we call this a base. And then this is a leg, and this is a leg. Now, an isosceles trapezoid is a trapezoid whose non-parallel opposite sides are congruent. So that means here's our parallel sides, but then these legs are congruent. A parallelogram is a quadrilateral with 2 pairs of parallel sides. 2 pairs of parallel sides. So that means that this side and this side are parallel, and that side are parallel. So we mark this as parallel, and those 2 are parallel to each other. And a rectangle is a parallelogram with 4 right angles. So we have a parallelogram, meaning that those sides are parallel and these sides are parallel, but now I have right angles. So parallel and right angles. A rhombus is a parallelogram with 4 congruent sides. So it's parallelogram, and so they're parallel, but they're also congruent, all 4 sides, and then these are also parallel. And then a square is a quadrilateral with 4 congruent sides and 4 right angles. So all of the sides are congruent and all of the angles are 90 degrees. These should not be new shapes for you. This should really be a review with some actual definitions.